Please be seated. Bore da a croeso e Gaerdydd. Good morning. Welcome to Cardiff and to your 2026 graduation ceremony. Laura Trevelyan ydw Cenhedloedd Prifysgol Gaerdydd. My name is Laura Trevelyan and I have the great privilege of being the Chancellor of Cardiff University. The first thing I want to say to our ardderchog, brilliant class of 2026 graduates is Longyfarchiadau! You made it! We're going to have lots of applause for you today. That was just the beginning. I was a postgraduate journalism student here back in 1990, in the last century, before all of you were born. Cardiff University gave me a career in journalism, a husband, lifelong friends and colleagues. I couldn't be more grateful for everything that Cardiff has given me. And I hope that Cardiff is going to underpin your lives in the way that it has mine. Today, we're celebrating the achievements of our anhygoel, exceptional students in two schools, the School of English, Communication and Philosophy, and the School of Music. Students in our School of English, Communication and Philosophy have explored human thought, creativity, expression, and moral dilemmas in this AI information age. Your expertise in ideas, critical thinking, and how to communicate will be invaluable. Those in the School of Music have become focused musicians, performers, composers, and musicologists. You've developed a deep understanding of music and advanced your own musical interests. Your Cardiff qualification tells the world you're ambitious, passionate, and brilliant. Embark on the next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that should bring. And thank you for everything that you've brought to your school and to your university. We're very proud of you and we want you to come back often. More on that after you graduate. Right now, you're in a liminal state, but when you cross this stage, you will be Cardiff graduates out there into the world. Please be ambassadors for us, whatever you do. Family and friends of the class of 2026, thank you for being here. I know this is a big day. When your loved one crosses the stage, Please make as much noise as you possibly can. You cannot bring down this roof, I promise you. For now, though, everyone, sit back, enjoy the ceremony, and cherish this moment. It's never going to happen again. It's very special. You've enjoyed everything that Cardiff has to offer, from YOLO nights at the Students' Union to all-nighters in the library. And now you're going out into the world. Mae'n bleser gennyf gyflwyno Owain Sean. I now have the pleasure of introducing Owain Sean. Owen will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. Gwyneth has been writer-in-residence at the University's School of Physics and Astronomy and is now an honorary fellow. Her poem, Education, was specially commissioned by Cardiff University. I give you Owain.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddia feiddio, gwellhad yn wneud, myna geisio, parcha ddweud. Trawsnewidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol, mentro bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is simple delight in mind and its motions. Scintillates, but isn't deceptive. Admits the joy of institutes is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. Byddaf nawr yn darllen y proclamasiwn, yn gyntaf yn Gymraeg ac yna'n Saesneg. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Bydde dwybod i holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod i dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd, yn rhinwedd eu hastudiaethau a'u hysgolheictod, wedi herchwilio'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathwn lwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio'n y cynulliad hwn, ac wrth wneud hynny, fe hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb i rannu gwerthoedd y Brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd i geisio, trwy eu cyflawniadau, gwasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu am ragoriaeth ym mhob peth, ac ofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoeth uneb, gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate to this congregation, and in doing so, remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation. Llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations.
Hello, Shemai. I am Maria, and I've had the absolute honour of being your Students' Union President this academic year. First of all, congratulations, Llongyfarchiadau. It is a privilege to be standing here today, celebrating not only your academic achievements, but also the incredible community that you've built along the way. Whether you found your place through a job, a club, a society, or your course, these are the friendships that will stay with you for years to come. We know it hasn't been easy to get here. Each of you has faced challenges and overcome obstacles to reach this moment. But you made it, and that is something to be truly proud of. Today is about celebrating every individual journey that brought you here today. As you look back on your time at Cardiff, I hope you do so with a strong sense of pride and belonging. For many of you, this was your first time moving away from home, whether that be from Pontypridd, Portsmouth, or even Peru. Wherever you came from, Cardiff has become a part of your story. And no matter where life takes you next, you will always have a home here. You're not leaving Cardiff with just a degree. You're leaving it with life experiences, opportunities, and memories that will last a lifetime, whether that be pulling all-nighters in the ASSL, late-night YOLOs, or quiet walks and coffee around Butte Park. You made it through. You may or may not know what is coming next, but as you step into the next chapter, carry with you the resilience that you've developed and the memories that you have cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes in your way. For many of you today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter in your life, and we wish you all the best. May your care be ever in the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations, class of 2026.
Borida, good morning. Ethro Wendy Lana dwi, Ysgang Heddlo, Prifysgol Caerdydd. I'm Professor Wendy Lana, and I have the enormous privilege of being the Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. I'm delighted today to warmly welcome all the students who are here to receive their degrees. This is the part of the ceremony that you've been waiting for, where the students' names are read out by a senior member of the university. Please celebrate. Celebrate the achievements of our students as they cross the stage by clapping, by cheering, or perhaps even a little whooping. And I heard you practicing before, so I know there's some whooping to be done out there. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they will be asked to stand. It is our tradition for me to speak in Welsh to receive each group of graduates to their awards. The Welsh phrase I will use when translated means, "Through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations." Twy ardyrod araddwyd ym mi gen y brifysgol. Dybaniach chi y gael eich dyfaniad a holffrentiau y ddaw enisgel Llongyfarchiadau. I now introduce Professor Mark Llewellyn, Head of the School of English Communication and Philosophy, who will present the students for their awards.
I, Professor Mark Llewellyn, introduce those who have received the Certificate of Higher Education. Roxy Else. I, Professor Mark Llewellyn, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Arts. Kani Sarbust Abdullah. Isabel Ackerman. Ulakunbi Adigun. Mina Agor. Suchana Ahmad. Lara Jane Annie. Ellie Anslow. Millie Alpin, Henry Ashford, Samuel Ashford, Eleni Athatiki, Marie Atkins, Eleanor Attawell, Renata Avioni Rosar, Jacob Rowan Avis, Jumana Awad, Maxine Badco, Ethan Patrick Baker, Lucas Baker, Beatrice Morgan Ball, Lana Barge, George Lucas Barton, Flynn Edward Bayliss, Imogen Beaumont, Ivy Bevan, Kira Bebbington, Amy Belby, Elizabeth Alex Bellick, Kerry Siobhan Bergen, Zoe Louise Bevan, Maisie Bicknell, Matilda Burkett, Ella Bloomer, Neve Megan Blue, Amy Bond, Catherine Boone, Lucy Bowden, Eleanor Bradfield, Ruby Briggs, Matilda Brown, Sadie Brown, Toby Bruce, Faye Lockley Buckley, Emily Bunn, Charlie Burbage, Jessica Burden, Annie Burnham, Joanne Louise Keynes, Kitty Hope Callard, Lily Mae Collicott, Joseph Campbell, Frederick Samuel Carter, Jack Anthony Carter, Arabella Castro, Olivia Chapman, Yearn Lockhew Vaughn, Noi Chung, Annie Chow, Georgia Liberty Ina Claire, Ella Clark, Morgan Clark, Zara Elizabeth Jane Clark Jones, Nancy Clifford, Ollie James Close, Jack Coleman, Liliana Margaret Coles, Charlotte Collins, Liam Mark Collins, Aurora Sue Connett. Ella Cook. Lucy Cook. Isabel Grace Cox. Isabel Craft. Margaret Cravens. Molly Crosby. Kimberly Cryer-Davies. Gemma Evelyn Cushing. Isabel Jean Dane. Maria Frances Daniels. Sophia Elizabeth Darby. Kaya Darville. Neve Marie Das. Ella Dauncey. Peter David. Rebecca Davies. Sarah Meddy Davies. Christopher Deacon. Victoria Divana Wedge. Nikita Dar. Victoria Caris Dixer. Ellie Dimbleby. Gabrielle Petrova Dimitrova. Maya Dujija. Isabel Violet Doherty. Joseph Archie William Dunn. Delilah East. Keris Jane Edwards. Maddie Haff Edwards. Sadie Edwards Stanley. Maisie Florence Elson. Daniel Estelle. Nijantha Eswarakumaran. Anne Ellery Pritchard Evans. Emily Bethan Evans. Jessica Louise Evans. Molly Evans. James Fairley. Ulaweya Missy Fatoyeye. Stella Favaro. Tabitha Floyd. Caris Jennifer Ford. Emily Rose Forrest. Sophie Forrester. Madeline Foster. Abby Foweraker. Lauren Foweraker. Ellie Olivia Fredericks. William Frood. Paige Fryer. Ellie Gale. Emily Garnett. Freddie Garud. Ethan Gerard. Holly Giles. Anya Kaur Gill. Felicity Goebel. Elizabeth Goldsmith. Keris Emily Goss. Lara Grace Goulding. Grace Green. Hannah Sophie Green. Laurie Green. Olivia Madeline Griffin. Thomas Grogan. Sophie Rose Gwynn. Madeline Ann Hack. Josh Hall. Katie Hall. Nicole Harm-Coon. Lily Hallover. Natalia Hamid. Amelie Hamilton. Taya Louise Slack-Hamor. Oliver Joseph Panlon. Gabriel Edward Terence Harper. Erin Lily Harris. Romy Charlotte Harris. Hasna Hassan. Isabel Hayward Davey. Agatha Araceli Henny. Thomas Hill. Daniel Hillon. Ellie Marie Hockin. Claudia Rose Holiday Williams. Noah Holm Kosi. Kenza Horner. Katie Hovard. Gabriella Hunt. Rory Hunt. Elie Fazal Iqbal. Amelie Jack. Say Jackson. Holly Jackson Meads. Michaela Yankovska. Abigail Charlotte Jeans. Finn Jenkins. Isabel Jenkins. Lucy Johnson. Gwen O'Medi Jones. Katie Jones. Mary Fleur Jones. Rosie Jones. Rian Kennedy. Hannah Khan. Sahana Khan. Sumaya Miriam Khan. Barmini Kundige. Abby King. Thomas Alexander Henry King. Maya Caniola. Jacob Kowalski. Jemima Lake. Abby Lane. Kirsty Louise Lawrence. Madison Lay. Eleanor Lee. Thomas Charles James Lefebvre. Patrick Leonard. Isabel Jane Liddell. Jessica Ellen Ling. Bethany Caitlin Lloyd. Eve Caitlin Longeran. Susanna Jane Lowes. Gwendolyn Lyon. Rebecca McAdam. Romilly Grace Marks. Grace Marr. Sienna Emily Martin. Emily Elizabeth Martin Jones. Luke Matthew. Ellie Matthias. Miles James Flynn Matthews. Joshua McIntyre. Kieran Neris McKenna. Eloise McKenna. Elizabeth Marie McLaughlin. Millie McNeil. Matthew Meeking. Maya Grace Mendez de Cesario. Suraya Nukamia. Abby Middlecott. Tamula Miles. Lewis Miller. Caris Mills. Caitlin Ann Mills. Henry Milne. Jessica Kaya Miners. Kadja Mir. Eve Hannah Mitchison. Megan Moore. Jude Morse. Frank Albert Moss. Millie Moss Wilkin. Dominic Mulder. Katie Muller. Daniel Myers. Caddy Nash. Daoud Naveed. Alicia Newton. Violet Noble. Jennifer Norris. Bowen Northrop. Charlie Connor. Eloise O'Leary Black. Florence O'Loughlin. Mick Osborne. Emma Victoria Osler Barona. Thomas Owen. Elizabeth Roll Pachul. Isabel Palfrey. Charlotte Ann Parfitt. Amber Rose Parker. Jessica Parker Naples. Madeleine Parry. Nicole Parry. Summer Parry. Ellen Abigail Patch. William Payne. Grace Laren Pierce. Nick Peely. Freya Perkin. Emily Pettis. Caris Phoenix. Aoife Picton-Jones. Thea Piriou. Lowry Player. Layla Poole. Alexander Popejoy. Freya Price. William Alban Price. Sasha Louise Proudlove. Mia Tallulah Rundawa. Eleanor Jane Rayleigh-Strutt. Kate Rebecca Renton. Hannah Lily Webb Reynolds. Edward Richards. Olivia Rigney. James John Roberts. Verity Robinson. Ariana Yasmin Rogar. Emily Jane Rowland. Catherine Rousel. Shaylee Carla Rutherford. Anna Charlotte Sadler. Florence Salmon. Parvina Shana Kaur Sandhu. Ella Palessa Sargent. Jessica Grace Ann Skurlock. Anya Sethi. Elizabeth Fionn Shaddick. Anna Shaw. Neve Florence Shaw. Olivia Shallard. Drew Shepherd. Thea Shepherd. Kate Shearett. Lama Miras Shibiana. Erin Maida Shields. Lloyd Simpson Harris. Amelia Morley Simpson. Ellie Skerritt. Ellery Smith. Erica Alzate Smith. Willow Amber Snelling. Amy Solomon. Sanjay Soma. Kiara Sorrell. Molly Kate Spencer. Lily Maria Splitzer. Daisy Ella Stark. Olivia Honey Steinhardt. Alana Louise Sterry. Andrew James Stewart. Alexandra Rose Kenyon Stockton. Tommy Stoneman Ringrose. Emma Stott. Joseph Strutt. Aisha Sultan. Sadie Sumner. Alexander Paul Sutton. Kira Talmage. Alicia Nadia Tariq. Benjamin Taylor. Charles Peter Taylor. Max Taylor. Peter Taylor Watts. Kian Thacker. Esther Fakiomi-Tejala. Imitrig Eden. Victoria Turner. Emily Upson. Marcus Vigwoods. Matilda Beatrix Collicott-Venn. Maniv Vij. Ella Rose Wallace. Erica Walsh. Valentine Rose Walters. Seren Ward. Neve Waranda. Georgiana Michelle West. Millie Eve Wheeler. Darren June Whitehouse. Emma Jane Whiffin-Bird. Tegan Ivory Wiggins. Hansa Tharoon Wijaratney. Emma Rose Williams. Toby Williams. Emily Willis. Luke Wilson. Lucy Wood. Manik Yarbut. Seren Yu. Kavi Susi.
I, Dr. Nicholas Jones, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Arts. Tia Aliyah Juri. Emma Holder. Emma Hutchings. Sophie Isabel Kellett. Thomas Kemp. Sinsi Guamonyi Sarah Mann. Rebecca Mary Norris. Daniel Pope. Molly Presenza. I, Dr. Nicholas Jones, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Music. Liesl Abrahams. Austin Charlie Barden. Matilda Cadwallader. Eleanor Louise Cantrell. Isabel Rebecca Devanzo. Patrick Farmer. Johan Gromnitsky. Alistair Gunnenberg. Isabel Hill. Freddie Hodgkinson. Samian Hussein. Olivia Ida Jenkins. Yihang Zhang. Sorry. Cam Lok Yu. Orla Catherine Kennedy. Yushin Rowe. Elizabeth May Rayner. Jacob Swan. I, Dr. Nick Jones, introduce those that have studied the degree of Bachelor of Science. Omar Tarofdia. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able. Toi ardyrod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol. Dyfaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad a hofrentiau a ddaw en ysgel llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. Benjamin Graham. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Arts. Keris Louise Allen. Mia Allen. Sheikha Al-Majid. Sheikha Al-Tawid. Amani Sadiq. Nikita Bayliss. Eleanor Bell. Sian Belmore. Seb Boot. Naomi Brown. Madeleine Grace Burton. Benjamin George Sturdy Clist. Ahana Das. Romani Elizabeth Duane. Chinua Ebe Runwu. Owen Floyd Ellie. Johnny Evans. Ran Fang. Paulina Filipiak. Hannah Gill. Ali Jo Gawinde. Amelia Jane Gray. Charlotte Lauren Griffiths. Sarah Griffiths. Hannah Grigg. Thomas Gwynn. Adam Akram Hamdan. Lydia Grace Hedges. Mishti Johari. Dewey Jones. Anusha Kumar. Ella Lane. Rebecca Leon. Lok Yi Lee. Song Ching Ching Liu. Teya Llewellyn. Isabel Lodge. Ayat Mutul. Saif Mahmood Mahim. Nibras Malik. Nico Ann Mates. Jana Niemans. Joseph Owen. Georgia Phillips. Olivia Grace Pipes. Ryan Matthew Plant. Chloe Louise Powell. Mia Elizabeth Price. Sarah Rand. Brynja Ream. Chloe Reardon. Francesca Rohan. Samia Suleiman. Nana Salo. Harrison Sher. Rachel Silcock. Mia Therese Squire. Sophia Magdalena Shelford. Wei Xing Tan. Jin Lu Tan. Rafe Cleam Woods Taylor. Maisie Tyler. Yuja Wang. Anne-Marie Watley. Tommy Rees-Williams. Hannah Rebecca Leighton-Wilman. Emma Louise Rosewood. Samantha Zucker. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to. Toi ardurdod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol. Dyfanech chi a gael eich dyfaniad a holffrintiau a ddaw yn ysgol. Llong y ffaciadau. Please be seated.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers who will doff in return. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Kerry Bunkle. Dr. Josie Craig. Dr. Form Hamad. Dr. Alice Georgina Langnerd. Dr. Morgan Gwyneth Agnelli. Dr. Jonathan Macho. Dr. Joshua Rogers. Dr. Laura Shipsey. Dr. Rebecca Jane Sloan Mayford. Dr. Nicholas Vinard. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to. Toi ardydod a raddoed i mi gen y brifysgol. Dybaniach chi a gael ec dyfaniad a hoffrentiau a ddaw yn esgel, llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
Warada Baub, good morning everyone. Pat Young Dwi, Kadairaith, Kingo Previsco Kaidith. I'm the chair of the governing body of Cardiff University Council. And I just want to add my personal congratulations to the class of 2026. I myself graduated from Cardiff University with a degree in mining geology in 1987, and all I can say is my experience here transformed my life, personally and professionally, and I wish that for all of you. I hope it has the same impact on you as you go forward from here. Now, today I'm very pleased to introduce our alumni speaker, Hanan Issa. Hanan is also a Cardiff graduate and an award-winning Welsh-Iraqi writer, filmmaker and artist. Her work spans poetry, film, theatre and prose, and she is the current National Poet of Wales. Her published work includes My Body Can House Two Hearts and Welsh Plural, and her creative work extends into film and television, including contributions to Channel 4's We Are Lady Parts. We are delighted to have Hanan with us here today to share some congratulatory words with you. Hanan.
Bore da, good morning everyone, especially to those who are here to graduate today. I was actually in this arena on Tuesday morning to celebrate my sister's graduation, and so I know all about some of the possible panic that occurred this morning, working out how to stick this floppy white and red thing over, and the perfect angle to tilt your hat. As I sat in the guest section, celebrating my sister and all the graduates gathered here, I found myself thinking about Fatima Al-Fihri. It might not be a name familiar to you, but it should be. Fatima Al-Fihri is the woman who founded the world's first ever university in Morocco over 1,000 years ago. So in a way, we have her to thank for where we are today. Now, I'm an eldest daughter and a Taurus, which basically means my entire personality consists of giving unsolicited advice. So I want to gift you two bits of advice that have stayed with me The first is from Wales's patron saint, St David o Dewi Sant yn Gymraeg, who said, Gwenewch y pethau bychain, which means, do the little things. Now, you could misunderstand this and think that it suggests we should be focusing on small actions or staying humble or quiet, but that's not it. At least, that's not what I interpret from his words. To me, he is talking about doing what we're able, using the strengths that we have. And for each of us, that might be shaped a little different. I've got a friend, and she only has to drive somewhere once, and she's memorized the route. Me, I still use Google Maps to get around Cardiff. But put me on a stage, and I can read poems till the cows come home. Whereas once, she was so nervous giving a work presentation, she mispronounced her own name. And that's because each of us is capable of different things. Now, some of us can speak up against injustice, like the genocide happening in Gaza or Congo, or push back against racist or homophobic rhetoric aimed at dividing us in our country. Maybe you put yourself forward for the opportunity that scares you, or simply have the chutzpah to turn an idea into reality. Whatever it is, take the first step. Gwenewch y pethau bychain. Do the little things. I promised you a second bit of advice, and this is from a great Welsh thinker, also known as my nan. A girl from the Welsh valleys. And whenever I used to doubt myself or question whether I should do something, her answer was always the same. Why not? And of course, you can add your own parameters to this, because I'm not advocating the use of why not when deciding whether to nick 20 quid from your mum's purse. It's for those moments where a little courage is needed, when you feel yourself shrinking inwards. I'm not going to sugarcoat. You won't always feel ready. You won't always feel confident. Very few people do. But when you catch yourself shrinking, hear a little but formidable Welsh nan saying, why not? And see what happens. I want to thank you all for listening to me, and once again, llongyfarchiadau, congratulations.
Thank you. Diolch yn fawr iawn to Hanan, drawing on sources as diverse as St David and Hanan, to remind us all that do the little things, take the first step. Why not? Advice for all of you new graduates to live by. So, it's time for the closing remarks. Llongyfarchiadau dy hun ran o gymuned Cynfyfewe Prifysgol Gaerdydd. Congratulations, you are now part of the Cardiff University alumni community. Cardiff alumni stand out, and having watched you all cross the stage, I can see that that's true. Fantastic hairdos, shoes, panache, gestures to the camera, you've got it all going on. You'll find your own path, and I know that you'll make a difference. Some of you are going to be very high profile. Some of you are going to be low-key, well-informed contributors to your communities. Whatever you do, just remember Virginia Woolf. She's my favorite novelist, and she said it best. I say this to my kids all the time and they roll their eyes, but as they've got to their 20s, they're beginning to agree with me. Virginia Woolf said, no need to hurry, no need to sparkle, no need to be anyone but oneself. So go out there and be yourselves. Because Cardiff has given you more than a degree, you've been encouraged to ask questions and challenge conventional wisdom. In this era of AI, you have real intelligence, which will stand you in good stead. Don't use AI to think for yourselves. Do the thinking that you learned here. By the way, I didn't use ChatGPT to write that. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of love, of longing, and of memories. We hope that you will keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University, where you develop that special sense of cynefin, meaning a place of belonging. As part of the Cardiff University alumni community, come back often. Tell us your good news and your bad news. Don't become strangers. On Friday night, more than 1,000 Cardiff alumni will be here for our first ever big reunion weekend, partying under the tent at Graduation Gardens, just like you are about to be. So, the great Cardiff class of 2026, I'm inviting you to come back here next year for the first anniversary of your graduation. Come back for all the milestone anniversaries. My children were educated in America, and I've seen the strength of the alumni network. And I want you to have the social and professional network, which is with you forever. You never know when you're going to need a new job or maybe a new husband. Cardiff is the place. So please, come back. Come back in 2076 for the 50th anniversary of your reunion. I will not be here, but I will be looking down on you, hoping you have a great party. Before we close the ceremony, there's one last Cardiff University tradition that we must uphold. Today is about you and your achievement, but you'd be the first to acknowledge that you didn't get here by yourselves. Your friends, your family, your lecturers, your loved ones, your nans are here today cheering you on. So please now, on your feet, Cardiff's newest graduates, please will you thank those who supported you on your journey by making a noise. Oh, come on. Louder! Diolch yn fawr iawn. You may be seated. Llongyfarchiadau i chri Raddedigion Gaerdydd. Congratulations once again to you, Cardiff's newest graduates. To close our celebrations, here's a film welcoming you to Cardiff's alumni community. At the end of the film, please stand as the platform party leaves. Thank you, everyone, for joining us today. And one last time to the bendigedig, fantastic class of 2026. Llongyfarchiadau!
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, yng Nghennydd, Aberdare and Aberconwy I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe, the new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheers, drive.
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark, Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli, people who tried to shelter us with broken brollies, people who helped us find our limits and push them out the way, people who helped us get to this point.
On this day.
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared, a day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roedden ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael lyfryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late-night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at 18. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
this is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
dream big.
40.
Years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment, look around you. Be welwch chi. What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.
No, I was looking at Alex because I thought Alex was...
Someone change Patrick.